Welcome to the project demonstration of hand gesture control, home automation along with hand talk features. So in this project, the main features are from the hand movements like forward, backward, left, right. So these four motions are used to announce the four voices in the hand end only. And also one more feature, we can control the home devices. So these two bulbs we are presenting as a devices. We can replace these two bulbs in any home devices like a fan or a TV or refrigerator or mobile phone charger, any 230 volts operated home devices. So coming to the transmitter section, so this is the transmitter section. So in this transmitter we are going to use a PIC microcontroller, that is a 28 pin board, and RF transmitter. So interface rates B0 B1 pins of the PIC microcontroller. So this is a transmitter, the red color chip, and this is the encoder IC, and these buttons are not required or not operated in this project. So here from the PIC microcontroller we are going to get the input to this encoder IC, and the encoder will encode the data and transmit it through the RF transmitter, that is 433 megahertz of crystal oscillating frequency, and the whole system will work under 9 volts. So this is 9 volts battery. We are going to give the 9 volts battery input to this regulator, and after that we will get the 5 volts regulator voltage given to the microcontroller. Once it get the 5 volts power supply, it start reading from the two sensors. So one is flex sensor, here we mounted on the finger, and another is MEMS accelerometer. So the flex sensor used to detect the folding and unfolding of the finger, and a MEMS sensor will detect the tilting angle in forward, backward, left, right, X and Y directions. And after the input from these two sensors, the microcontroller will make the decision whether it is controlling the devices or a voice announcement. Coming to the voice announcement, we are using APR 33A3 voice module. It's an audio playback recorder. Already we have recorded some 4 voices like food, water, medicine, emergency. These 4 voices recorded in this module, and from the microcontroller we are going to announce them through this speaker. And if we fold this, the device is under voice mode. If unfold the finger, the device is home automation mode. So let us see the receiving section. So here we are using RF receiver, and the receiving data will be decoded by this HT12D, and the decoded data given directly to this electromagnetic relays, 4 volt 5 volt operated electromagnetic relays. So coming to the relay board, there will be one LED indication to indicate the relay status, and a transistor. So means the decoder IC will not directly control the relays, so that's why we are using transistor. The decoder IC will control the transistor, and the transistor will be control the relay, and relay will control the bulbs. So here we are using transformer. It will step down the 230 volts AC to the 12 volts AC, and this is the total RPS board. So these 4 diodes are rectifier and a filter and the regulator. So after the filter we will get the pure DC, and after regulator we will get the pure 5 volts DC given to the decoder parallelly as well as to the relay board. So let us see the demonstration. So just switch on this after connecting the 9 volt battery. So switch on the circuit and place the hand in proper parallel to earth. If it is an inclination, it will go on execution the process. So now it is in device mode. So forward, all one device on, backward off, left on, right off. So in this manner we are going to control that. And coming to the voice, just fold the hand.
I need food. I need water. I need medicine. Emergency.
So like this the 4 voices will be announced. Thank you.